Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a subscription on a Stripe account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to open the Stripe website, and after opening that, we have to log in. And after that, what we have to do simply we have to click on the create. And after logging in, what we need to do simply we have to click on the create. And after clicking on the create, as you can see, it has the option for a subscription. So we have to click on the subscription. And after clicking on this, what we need to do simply we have to click on the find or add customer. So if you want to find or add customer, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to search for the customer. We have to search for the customer. So we don't have a customer right now. I'm going to choose this one. So let's select this. And after that, we have to provide the duration for our date. We have to select that, and then we need to add the pricing. For example, I'm going to add this one. And after that, we have to start the billing method. You have to provide these details, free trial days. If you want to add the free trial days, you can also do that. I'm going to add the 7 days here, so it will be added. And after that, as you can see, now you can also add the phase. These all details are provided here. Then simply you have to hit the create test subscription, and the test subscription will be created. And now you can see the preview. As you can see, the preview is mentioned here. So in this way you can create your subscription plan also, but before creating that, you need to verify your payment method. I didn't have verified, that's why I'm getting this one. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a subscription on your Stripe account. So see you guys in the next video.